Hi, today we'll make a hot air balloon with paper collage. Start by drawing a big circle in the top center of the page. Now make a small oval at the bottom of the circle. Then make little lines joining the circle and the oval. After that, make a curved line at the bottom like this. Now make another oval at the bottom, leaving some gap. Then draw two straight lines joining the oval and the curved line. Then make two slanting lines joining the circle and the curved line like this. After that, draw a straight standing line in the center. We will draw some more curved lines at the side. Also, complete the background by making some clouds. Now, take old newspapers or magazines and tear similar color bits of paper and paste them to make a collage like this. Hope you enjoyed doing this activity. See you next time. Goodbye.